SP Tools 303-piece metric and SAE toolkit in Custom Series toolbox. Custom Series SP Tools mid-size storage system. The box is 668mm wide and 445mm in depth. It features a combination of 7 drawers in 160mm or 570mm width. The tool chest lid is equipped with heavy-duty dual gas struts and a full-length piano hinge joint. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kilos per pair. The side of the box is equipped with easy grip chrome plated handles. The tool chest features high quality dual layer UV resistant powder coat finish. The roller cab is 680mm wide and 460mm in depth. It features 7 drawers with varying depth configuration. The roller cabinet features a steel worktop with a corrugated rubber cover. The drawers are equipped with full extension 28 ball bearing slides. The slides are rated to carry 40 kilograms per pair. On larger drawers with dual slides, this increases to 80 kilograms. The side of the box is equipped with an easy grip handle which can be fitted on either end to suit any workspace. The roller cabinet features 4 heavy-duty castors, 2 fixed and 2 swivel. The swivel castors have an easy one-touch brake, hold and release. The roller cabinet features high-quality dual-layer UV-resistant powder coat finish. SP Tools 103-piece metric and SAE socket and accessory set in EVA foam. The kit includes quarter drive metric and SAE sockets 4 to 13mm and 3/16 to ½ inch. 3/8 drive metric and SAE sockets 6 to 22mm and quarter to 7/8. ½ inch drive metric and SAE sockets 10 to 32 and 3/8 to 1 1/4. 3/8 and ½ inch drive spark plug sockets in both 5/8 and 13/16. Quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip 45 tooth ratchets. Quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive soft grip breaker bars. Quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive universal joints. A range of quarter 3/8 and ½ inch drive extension bars, and a range of socket drive adapters. In addition to the EVA set, the socket range also includes 2 sets of 3/8 drive deep sockets on rails, both 10 to 19mm and 5/16 to 3/4, an 11-piece quarter and 3/8 drive Torx bit socket set from T10 to T55, a 9-piece quarter drive metric and SAE in-hex bit socket set 3 to 6mm and 1/8 to 1/4, and a 10-piece 3/8 drive metric and SAE in-hex bit socket set 6 to 10mm and 3/16 to 3/8. SP Tools 25-piece metric and SAE spanner set in EVA foam. The kit includes quad drive combination spanners 6 to 19mm and quarter to 7/8. SP Tools combination spanners have 2 exclusive features that set them apart. Quad drive open end. This feature enables the open end of the wrench to grip on 4 sides of the fastener instead of the normal 2. The gripping point moves away from the corner of the fastener to the flat side due to the internal radius corners that are part of the internal design of the wrench. The dual flat drive ring end. This feature has 2 parts. First, the unique shape of the internal ring causes the fastening force to be applied to the flat side of the fasteners rather than the corners. The second is the flat top and bottom of the ring end. By not chamfering the internal ring of the wrench, we have extended the length of the contact to the fastener. This is extremely useful when dealing with damaged bolts or where bolts are recessed and access is limited. SP Tools 12-piece chrome alloy screwdriver set with induction hardened tips, 6 Phillip head screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length, 6 standard blade screwdrivers from 38mm to 150mm in length. All screwdrivers features SP Tools ergonomic dual texture soft grips. SP Tools S2 chrome alloy steel 9-piece hex and Torx key set, 9-piece metric set 1.5 to 10mm, 9-piece SAE set 1/16 to 3/8, and 9-piece Torx set T10 to T50. A 31-piece bit set including a quarter drive low profile mini ratchet with metric bits 1.5 to 7mm, SAE bits 1/16 to 1/4, and Torx bits T8 to T45, and a 4-piece mini hook and pick set. SP Tools chrome alloy pliers and cutters with induction hardened cutting and grip points, 200mm diagonal cutters with dual texture grips, 200mm long nose pliers with dual texture grips, 200mm combination pliers with dual texture grips, a 250mm 3-rivet heavy-duty locking plier that features chrome alloy steel jaws, a 250mm heavy-duty multi-grip plier made from chrome alloy steel, and both 150 and 250mm adjustable wrench made from chrome alloy steel. 4-piece circlip ply set made from chrome alloy steel, 1 75mm straight and bent internal circlip pliers, 1 75mm straight and bent external circlip pliers. 10-piece chrome moly punch and chisel set with pin punch sizes 2 to 10mm, 16 and 24 ounce ball paint hammers with genuine hickory handle from a certified FSC timber source, 40mm dual soft hard tip hammer with additional shot fill head for dead blow function. SP Tools 6-piece precision screwdriver set, 3 Phillips head screwdrivers and 3 standard blade screwdrivers. The kit also includes 8mm tape measure, a handy SP Tools all-purpose utility knife, a 4-piece mechanics tweezer set, a 4-piece heavy-duty pry bar set and a 300mm professional quality hacksaw.